In driving operational excellence across the organization, strengthening process and execution and delivery standard. His focus on efficiency, discipline, and continuous improvement has played a key role in building a robust and scalable operation platform. So once again, sir, thank you so much for being here. And the last but not least, we have Katragadda Venkata Shiva Prasad Garu. Can we give a big round of applause? Who is a director, has been a key drive in strengthening the design capabilities and human resources, building strong foundations for innovation and talent development. His integrated approach to people, product, and process has significantly contributed to the company's long-term growth and differentiation. First of all, corporate identity and the unveiling of new logo. So, sir, first of all, can we give a big round of applause for all these dignitaries and our esteemed dignitaries? So, ladies and gentlemen, now let's begin the beautiful beginning of this beautiful company. Usually begin the ceremony with the lighting of the lamp. Knowledge, prosperity, and new beginnings. And new beginnings for this beautiful company, Stand Engineering Technology Limited. Can we give a big round of applause to all our dignitaries? And I request our managing director to please be on stage. And here we go! So can I request all the directors to come onto the dais, please?
Please
We
close.
have Mr. Balasheshta on stage here. He's coming right now. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. Mr. Chandrakant, who is a logo designer. As you can see, the official logo is right here. Sir, how you got inspired? You can tell about that, sir.
Not my design, it was based on the design that Sir did, which you can see standard glass logo, which was the original logo. As Sir was saying, this was a continuity of the brand with a slight modification. That's when we proposed this new design.
Symbol
It
of
was very
continuity
impromptu.
and as well as transformation, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. So, okay, next we move on to our most important segments of today's event, that is a Q&A session. So, we have the dignitaries on stage. I would like to request Mr.
Technology to Standard Engineering Technology. Class learning, this year we are going to become company philosophy and business model name should be reflect. Due to that, we changed the new name. We proposed the and we now shareholders and everything approved. Now today we are launching brand. I will explain how our journey started and what is our uniqueness, and everything I will explain to you. Please start presentation. Yes, whenever we idea to start glass lining company, those days 20 weeks delivery, 24 weeks delivery, 25 weeks delivery. Just then the customer is waiting for product. Customer is not getting product. Due to this, their projects delays, their small clients neglected with the big manufacturers. Based on that inspiration, and me and Soprasad, a lot of discussions happened. 1 year we discussed 2012 to 2013. Then 2013 we started in a small facility, and customer response is tremendous. Customer appreciated, but many people called and me told don't start glass lining business because of many companies started in Hyderabad closed very short period due to they are unable to produce the glass lining equipment. Glass lining technology is the very critical technology. So many my well-wishers called me, don't start. If your family going trouble, then again we take a risk and we started based on customer support. One of customer just we announced we are going to start glass lining business. He given 1.3 crores advance. That is trust I have. Then we started in small facility. And 2016, I think production innovation and 2019 manufacturing expansion is glass lining and 21 vertical integration S2 engineering and stand pump and Klimavita we signed in 2022. 23 AGI is one more thing. Any Japanese companies to work with any Indian company, they will take 5 years, 10 years. Very conservative they were thinking, and but this they invested in our company 183 crores within 6 months. Well, they came and they saw our facilities, our concept, and our philosophy. They immediately they invested. That is our uniqueness. And CPK we acquired I think 24, and later C2C and standard size Cygenic we acquired here. Muthuswamy sir is there in 40 years. His last 40 years he producing in the fermenters. We acquired that they have unique technology. Into this company total, we started 11 years, 7 acquisitions we did. This is coming 1 year we have many plans and many things. 7 acquisitions we did with 11 years. That is our uniqueness. And why we 7 acquisitions did? We started with one product, but we understand the customer requirements. Customer looking for complete solutions. Based on that, I have a lot of contacts in pharma and chemical area. Everybody wants, they don't want to take a headache, and today they want to put the one project. Lot of supplies required, lot of people involvement, lot of those. So much time is wasting, and lot of things are not to coming to on time. So that inspiration, this all acquisitions we did 11 years, 7 acquisitions. We increased our product basket. Today we have 95 variety of products we are manufacturing, and Japanese technology, shell and tube glass and heat exchangers we are bringing to India technology. That is 2000 crores opportunity globally 2 billion. We are last 10 years we are growing year on year 25%. This year also we are going to grow almost on 27% growth. Next year more maybe. We have very strong order book. So based on that, after this acquisition, we became a full basket and supermarket. Like a supermarket for pharma and chemical companies. Today, any company wants, what we did, we changed our business model also. Independent equipment sales, and second, customized equipment sales. Customized means, suppose they are purchasing one equipment, additional equipment also we are customizing and giving. Customer don't want to release the more purchase orders. Single purchase order, they will get one equipment, customized. And third one is complete turnkey. Anybody have land, we will build the pharma plants or chemical plants. And many areas, now today we are complete engineering company. Integrated engineering company for pharma, chemical, food, beverages, any industry. Now we are entering the, recently we are started discussing IT companies. We are going to build the IT companies also. Engineering, any engineering we are going to enter, semiconductor, and we are started recently heavy oil and gas sector we are entering, and nuclear sector we are working. Many engineering. So this company became a engineering company. So glass lining also we are doing. Glass lining we are not neglected. Please, this is understand. First, glass lining will be a due to this lot of products, shell and tube heat exchanger, conductivity glass, lot of products we are become a largest glass lining equipment manufacturer. But glass lining we are expanding also. One more unit we are constructing. Same time, and we are engineering. I think this is reflecting to customers. That is our objective today. Name change and brand loyalty. And this all reactors, receivers, so many products. 95 variety of products we are manufacturing. We are the largest equipment in the ANFD area also, and vacuum pump also we are the largest. Many areas in the largest in India. And process engineering, this is we build the complete plants. Process engineering, automation, everything customer need anything we will provide. That is we are unique. And this all type of we develop many companies. Why we are unique? Many companies are there. Some we are 95 products we are manufacturing, but many companies they are independent equipment manufacturers. Lot of manufacturers are there. But a complete basket, no one. Even though not a only equipment manufacturing, we are executing, commissioning up to water trial we are doing. Even plant designing also. That's the reason. Design to complete water trial. We are only one company in the India and world also. We build like that. That's the reason we are growing very fast. And customer also very comfort. We are creating customer. Customer we are telling you, you dream we build. That is our concept. And advantage, portfolio breadth and faster commissioning and customer comfort. That is our thing. Always my customer is our God, and customer whatever they want we are providing. So customer no need to search for other alternatives also. Today we don't have any competitor in the market. We are very fast growing, and top line and bottom line we are very strong. That area last Q3 our results are showing that our performance. This is total group, and we 2013 to 7 acquisitions we did, and IPP is International Process Plant US, and they are the worldwide 1,65,000 clientele base. We signed their channel partner for US and Europe market. Our products are resellers, and Atlas Copco very big company, but we have tie-up with them and private label agreement, and they are also selling directly vacuum pump in the market. But with the white label agreement, we became the largest vacuum pump supplier in India. And Climavita, Mitsubishi chillers we are selling. Biocon, Southeast Asia, they are our reseller in the products. And AGI is the investor, and GLACO is part of AGI. They are given glass lining, shallow tube heat exchanger, conductivity glass lining, many technologies. And AGI CEO is our board of director, Mr. SP Akada. He is not there. Now logo launching.
స్టార్ట్ సార్.
ఈరోజు మేము గ్లాస్ లైనింగ్ కంపెనీ బికమ్ ఏ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కంపెనీ అని రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవడానికి న్యూ లోగో లాంచ్ చేస్తాం. అలాగనే కంపెనీ నేమ్ కూడా స్టాండర్డ్ గ్లాస్ లైనింగ్ టెక్నాలజీ లిమిటెడ్ టు స్టాండర్డ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ టెక్నాలజీ లిమిటెడ్గా మార్చాం. కంపెనీ ఈరోజు ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కంపెనీ, కంప్లీట్గా సొల్యూషన్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఫార్మా అండ్ కెమికల్, ఫుడ్కి, ప్రాసెస్కి మా కంపెనీని ప్లాట్ఫామ్ రెడీ అయింది. కాబట్టి కంపెనీకి రిఫ్లెక్షన్ అవ్వాలి కస్టమర్తో. మా బిజినెస్ కంప్లీట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ బిజినెస్. సో అవర్ కంపెనీ లోగో ఆల్సో ఇట్ విల్ షో ఇన్ టు స్టాండర్డ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ టెక్నాలజీ లిమిటెడ్తో మా కొత్త లోగో ఈరోజు లాంచ్ చేయడం జరిగింది.
లోగో మార్చడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి?
అంతకుముందు లోగో, పాత లోగో ఏంటంటే స్టాండర్డ్ గ్లాస్ అని చూపిస్తుంది. దాని గురించి ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజు మేము కంపెనీ పేరు నేమ్ చేంజ్ చేశాం కాబట్టి స్టాండర్డ్ గ్లాస్ నుంచి స్టాండర్డ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, అందుకని న్యూ లోగో కూడా స్టాండర్డ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అనేటట్టు రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యేటట్టుగా మార్చడం జరిగింది. న్యూ లోగో లాంచ్ చేశాము. కంపెనీ కంప్లీట్గా ఇంజనీరింగ్ కంపెనీగా ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేయడం జరిగింది.
సో పాతదానికి దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది సార్?
పాతది గ్లాస్ లైనింగ్ చేసేవాళ్ళం. మా బిజినెస్ గ్లాస్ లైనింగ్ 30%, అది కంటిన్యూ గ్రో అవుతున్నాము ఇయర్ ఆన్ ఇయర్ 20%. కానీ గ్లాస్ లైనింగ్ గ్రో అవుతూ కూడా ఇంజనీరింగ్ 70% చేస్తున్నాం. సో కంపెనీ పీపుల్కి రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవ్వడానికి నేమ్ ద్వారా ఇంజనీరింగ్ అనే కంపెనీని స్టాండర్డ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అని పెట్టాము. గ్లాస్ లైనింగ్ కూడా చేస్తాం, కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాం.
ఏ కంపెనీ టోటల్ కొలాప్స్ అంటారు?
మేము జపాన్ కంపెనీ ఏజిఐ ఇంక్తో జపాన్తో కొలాబరేషన్ అయి ఉన్నాము. వాళ్ళు మాకు ఇండియన్ ప్రమోటర్స్ తర్వాత సెకండ్ లార్జెస్ట్ షేర్ హోల్డర్ ఈ కంపెనీలో.
మెయిన్ సర్వీస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది?
మాది హైదరాబాదు. ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ హబ్ ఈజ్ హైదరాబాదు. మాకు ఇక్కడ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 10 ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఉండే. చెన్నైలో ఒక ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంది, చెన్నైలో ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఆఫీస్ ఉంది. అలానే ఇక్కడ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా మాకు సర్వీస్ సెంటర్స్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.